How's it going, everyone? We're out here at the Blvd Boyz compound. We got Chris Yagi right here ripping his F-150. We got Wanky, Wilson, Ernest, me, myself, Isaac Wood, my wife, Batty, out here putting on some demos today, doing a shop, open shop where people can shop for merch and stuff. We got food, a little concession stand set up. But yeah, we're out here having a good time. Everyone's ripping. The jumps are huge, like always. It's a good turnout. Thanks for everyone for coming out.